my channel. My name is Tina and today I'm doing a collab with Melissa Leigh Garret. Oh my gosh, if you haven't seen her channel, you need to go check it out right now. You will find a link down there, up there, everywhere. I will be pinning a comment from her in my comment section. You will have no trouble finding her. She is on Instagram and obviously has a fabulous channel here on YouTube, and you need to go check her out. If you're into makeup and reviews, news, and all that stuff, she does it all. And she does it great, and I so appreciate that. She also struggles with a disability, I'm gonna call it. I hope I'm disabled. YouTubers who are disabled unite for beauty. That's us. We are both talking. They're both going into surgery soon. We're gonna be like post-op buddies. Yeah, not fun, by the way. But hey, we have makeup to cheer us up, and that's what we're gonna use, because there's no point going to surgery if you don't look fabulous. I have this huge box in our gift exchange. We did, I think it was $40 of makeup, $10 of whatever the hell, and hers was sent to me in this big huge box. I'm not gonna turn it around because it has my address on it. Her address is on here as well, and you can find us, and that would be creepy, so don't do that. We don't mind email, we don't mind, you know, find us on social media, chatting, showing up at our doors. Okay, I found a card. Yep, totally forgot to put inside the box. I totally get that. Happy holidays, Tina. I really hope you enjoy this box of goodies I have prepared for you. It was so much fun picking out items I know you're going to love. I wish you and your family all the best for this holiday season, and here's to another year of a great friendship. Absolutely. My note is not quite as eloquent as this one was, but I did get in the box. That doesn't always happen. A lot of times I just pretend that I taped it to the top on purpose. Now we're down to this part of the box, which is nicely taped shut. Haha! The box now open. Yay! And the first thing I see, Too Faced sends you entirely too much of this crap. I sent some to her too. Oh my god! No freaking way! Okay, check this out. This bottle here is got this much in the bottom of it. It was on my, you need to go buy that, Tina. She got me a brand new one. I love this stuff. This is, hers is slightly different scent than mine. Mine is the Clean Freak Tapioca. This is Clean Freak Refreshing. They're both amazing. I've used both. I like them both. Just as a side note to anybody who does have to go have surgery, take a bottle of dry shampoo with you. A little one would be best because it will save your life. Oh, what do we got here? We got a baggie from Ulta. It has a coupon. $5 off your next full-size purchase of Sills Booster at Ulta.com. It's from Lancome. It is the mascara primer. Awesome sauce. I will totally use that. Great minds think alike. I bought the box that I think a bunch of these came in, or at least, I don't know, it's the Ulta box. I loved this box. I normally hate these peel off masks when they like yank off your skin. This strawberries and champagne mask from Ulta is freaking to die for. It peels off so easily. It goes on so easily. It smells good. It does a great job. It left my skin feeling so good for days. I haven't used the pomegranate one. I've heard of these and wanted to try one. So thank you. So excited about that. I love masks. And ooh, a ponytail mask. Ponytail mask. Ponytail mask. My hair's going in the ponytail mask. She sent me the Saharan palette from Juvia's Place. I love this palette, but my Saharan palette hit the floor several months ago. I was sad. Like, it was tears sad. So it's missing some of my favorite colors, and I had been debating replacing it or not. Do you replace it or not? And now I don't have to. This shade here, these two shades here, and this one here, all broke. And they're my favorite shades just about in that whole palette. I love this palette so much, and I was so sad that it fell off the counter and those shades crumbled. Juvia's Place does not respond well to hitting the floor. And I never used to have that problem, by the way. I'm pretty sure it's when you get way too much makeup for anyone's good that you start having that problem. I almost tossed this out of the way. So this is from Wander Beauty. So she sent me like a little packet of stuff. This is Glowtown lotion, illuminating lotion from Wander Beauty. I will give that a shot. And then a couple of brushes. These are Ulta brushes. They're the small ones, super handy. I like Ulta brushes, so I'm good with that a lot. I like Ulta brushes a lot. This is from Essence. I love color intensifying. It must be a highlight. What was eyeshadow? It's the eyeshadow. It's the matte eyeshadow. Okay, I've been wanting to try these. Yay, I'm excited. And then we have lip color remover. Yeah, when it gets stuck on there, it won't come off. These all look like some brand I've never even tried before. I'm good with that. I like trying new things. Okay, so what are you? Never Greasy Extreme Eye Gel Makeup Remover. Yes! I run into that like crazy as well. This is from Bliss. I've tried a couple things from Bliss, never this, and I totally needed this. So yeah, thank you. Okay, what else do we got in here? Pineapple Super Juice. Oh god, it smells good. Pineapple, lime, and berries, 3-in-1 smoothie. I'm gonna use that as a bubble bath. I think this is a Beauty Blender cleaner. I'm pretty sure. Like, it has a picture of Beauty Blender on the side, and like everybody I know needs this stuff. I will give that a try. I don't think I've ever used the name brand stuff, so spooky. We have a Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick. It's definitely red. It's in that shade right there. Me and this word aren't getting along. It's a very nice color though, and I don't own it, so yay! I love Smashbox Be Legendary lipsticks in any type of them. Oh, ooh, this is the Double Duty Man Eater mascara from Tarte. I actually have one of these myself. Melissa, did I send you this too? Did we do that? I think we might have. We have another makeup remover. This is Yes Facial Cleansing Wipe. I've tried this brand before. They're great. I haven't tried the blueberry ones. I think they're all pretty much the same. I think they're all freaking amazing. Use them, love them, throw them away. Use them, hate them, throw them away. Doesn't really matter. If you're like me and you do swatches, oh, I don't know any swatches tonight, then you end up with swatches all over you that you then wipe off with ones you don't like. You know the people you need to be asking about which is the best beauty wipes that are cheap? Anybody who does YouTube. Any of us who do tons of swatches. And the last thing is kind of cracking me up. So in this last year, on my project pan, I had this item here, which she then sent me a new one of. Mine is so dead. That's it. It is dead. That's all that's left. It's down to the end. It's starting to get to the point where it's not functioning quite right because I think it's getting old. I was just going to use it through the end of December and chuck it, and now I have a new one to replace it with because I really do love this Wet n Wild contour and highlight stick. It is amazing. Otherwise, I wouldn't be almost through it. There's a few items that made it into my project pan that did not make it to the end of the year. I did, you go. You suck. So I am excited about this. I love this. So thank you so much, Melissa, for getting this back to me. I'm excited to go play with these masks and this makeup. I cannot believe you got me a new one of these. Thank you so much. I love this so much. Seriously, this is the new one, and this is my old one. And as you can see, it has issues. Dropped, doesn't work out. Thank you, because it really was something. I love Juvia's Place. I own pretty much every darn thing they have. I really want the Thrive palette, and these are gorgeous and amazing. And I'm so happy to have another one. I think I'll pass my broken one on to someone who deserves it. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Thank you, Melissa and Hubster and your family. I know that doing these is a lot of work and it takes time. They're also a ton of fun. Like, if you have somebody you know on YouTube that you can exchange stuff with, it is the best time ever. I had so much fun doing this. I love shopping for people and being able to do it the way it did. It was a blast. So I hope she loves the things I got her as much as I love the things she got me. I think she did a phenomenal job. And it cracks me up that she actually got me things that I will 100% legit use. No question about it. She knows me well enough to know I will use that. This stuff here is a perfect example of it. I mean, first thing out of the box is like something that's like, oh my god, I needed to go buy another one of those like in 2 days. Thank you. These are amazing. If you haven't tried Not Your Mother's Hair stuff, so good. I'm not the only one who uses it in my family, so do my kids. The teenagers, yeah, I don't know. I'll talk to you guys later. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. So much for watching. Bye!